This is a Unitron 4-inch telescope, model 160, from about 50 years ago. It's the classic telescope, highly collectible, and it's got a lot of interesting features about it. Several things are associated with this telescope. The telescope has a guide scope, 60mm guide scope. It's a 4-inch telescope. This is a finder scope. These are solar projection screens for observing the sun. This device here is called a Super Unihex, and it's got some big eyepieces, a 60mm and a 40mm. Plus it's got space for several of the smaller 965mm eyepieces. The telescope has all kinds of controls. It's got slow motion in declination right here. This is the declination lock. And this is the declination slow motion. You can probably see the telescope moving slightly in declination. This is the right ascension. So you can see that it's moving slightly in right ascension, returning this control. Also, one of the most interesting things about this telescope is the clock drive. This is a mechanical clock drive. Okay, this is a better view of the Unitron clock drive. This is driven by weights. Pull the weights up here. And this is a fairly substantial weight, and of course there are several more weights that you can put on it. The idea here is that the falling weight will cause this mechanical device, you can see it's starting to move now. This is a 3-ball governor, and it is now beginning to rotate, and that rotational motion is being conveyed through this shaft right here up to the telescope itself to cause it to track the stars. Probably hear it whirring even on the video. As it begins to pick up speed, you can see that it gets going pretty good. You can control the speed with this. You can also control the speed by the amount of weight you put on it. I can slow it down quite a bit, even causing it to stop by adjusting the governor. Once you get this tuned in, it's very precise. I've seen this telescope actually track Jupiter at 150 power for about 10 minutes. Okay, this is a better view now, close-up of the mechanism. I'll show you what it looks like when it's stopped, close-up. Now it's stopped completely. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of a Unitron Model 160. Thank you.